Okay class, now let's proceed to solve the linear equation. Okay, the first step to solve the linear equation is you need to transform or rearrange the equation in the form of dy dx plus pxy and then qx over here. Okay, so after you get the correct arrangement, so the second one is you need to find what is your px. For this equation, your px is -3, and then you also need to find the qx, which is your, here is 6. Okay, and then from here you also need to find the integration of px with respect to x. Okay, alright, so you will have -3 dx and then you will have 3x. Okay, for this one you need to be what we call it, notice that the integration should not be with the constant, just like previously we have learned. Just leave it without constant. Okay, the third step is you need to find the integrating factor. Find the integrating factor. Okay, the integrating factor is denoted by rho x over here, and you just take it, the exponent and the px dx over here, which is you already have exponent -3x. Okay, the step number 4 is you need to rearrange d dx and then rho y, okay, equal to rho qx. Okay, so now insert the rho that you already have. You will have d dx, and then you will have substitution here. For this one you have y, and then for this one you have 6 over here. Okay, here is -3x. Okay, so in order to find the y, okay, what you need to do is number 5 is you need to integrate both sides with respect to x. So when I taking the integration dx, then I have exponent -3x, and then I have y over here with respect to x. So I will have exponent 3x. 6 is a constant with respect to x. Okay, you need to know, according to the mathematical knowledge, we can cancel off the integration over here, and then the left hand side remain exponent -3x y, and then for the right hand side you will have 6 exponent -3x over 3, and then plus with a constant. So you may simplify this one, and this one becomes 2, and then for the left hand side you will remain yx, and then bring these terms to the right hand side. So what you will get is 2 exponent -3x over exponent -3x plus c exponent -3x. So this one can be simplified. So the final answer of yx is 2 plus c exponent 3x. You can bring the denominator to the numerator over here. So this is the answer. Okay, so let's move to another question. Okay, so basically for the linear equation over here, the changes might be on this one and this one. So you need to have extra knowledge in order to solve the integrations. Okay, let's go to another one. Okay, if you are given dy over dx plus y over x equal to 1. According to this one, I advise you to put in the correct arrangement where dy dx over here plus 1 over xy equal to 1. So that now you can have your first step. So what is your first step over here? The first step is the put in the correct arrangement, and then the second one you may find the px where it is the 1 over x, and then you will have your qx is equal to 1. Okay, and then another term you need to have is integration of the px with respect to x, where it's the only integration of 1 over x dx. You will get ln x. Okay, so step number 3, what you need to do is you need to find the integrating factor, where the integrating factor is the combination of the exponent and the 1 over x dx over here, where exponent ln x, which is this one can cancel off, so you will have x over here. So number 4, okay, so number 4, look at the step over here. What you need to do is you need to rearrange where you will have d over dx, and then combinations of the integrating factor with y, and then you need to have equal to integrating factor with qx 1 over here. Alright, okay, so now number 5, what you need to do is you need to take in the integration both sides. You will have x over here y and dx integration x. So this one cancel off, and then you will have xy in the left hand side. So for the right hand side you will have x squared over 2 plus c. So the yx that you want to find is x squared over 2x here plus c over x, and then this one can be simplified x over 2 plus c over x. So this is the answer of the differential equation. Alright, okay, so if the question extend and ask you to find a particular solution, okay, the question should give to you one boundary condition. So let's say the condition is given to you is, okay, y equal to 0 when x equal to 1. So you just need to substitute y equal to 0 and x equal to 1. So you have 0, and then you have 1 over 2 plus c over 1. So the answer for c is negative 1 over 2. So your particular solution now is equal to x over 2 and then minus with 1 over 2x. So this is the particular solution that the question asks you to find.